Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert any picture file into editable file using Microsoft Word and Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, let me show you. Here I have a one picture file, so you can see it's a picture file. So how we can convert this picture file into editable file using Microsoft Word. So let's find out. So first you need to open the Microsoft Word software, and after that you need to select this blank documents. Now once you open or load the page, that is the blank page, now here you can see in the upper side, click on insert. Now click on picture. Now click on this device and locate to the place where you have saved the picture. So in my case I have saved in the desktop, so I'll be selecting my picture. And once you have selected the picture, you can click on insert, wait for a few seconds until the picture gets loaded. So you can see the picture is loaded in the blank page in the Microsoft Word. So now what you need to do is, you can see here on the top left corner, file, just click on it. Now click on save yes. Now select your locations wherever you want to save. So in my case I'm selecting desktop. Now you give a file name, so in my case I will just rename it as edit. And now you can see save as type, just click on here. So under this section select PDF, and once you are done, click save. Wait for a few seconds until the file gets saved. Now your picture file has been saved as a PDF. Now you can close this. Now you can see here your picture file has been saved as PDF using your Microsoft Word. Now just right click on this PDF file. You can see here open with. Just select this, choose another app. Just scroll down and click more apps. Just scroll down below and you can see here Microsoft Word. Just select it. After that click OK. Wait for a few seconds. Now you get a message here, Word will now convert your PDF into editable Word document. So just click on OK. Wait for a few seconds until the processing gets complete. Now you can see here your picture file is converted into editable file. So you can see here, now you can delete, or you can just type and add a lines, and later you can just go back to the file, and or you can click on the save to save it whatever you like, or to save it like a picture file, or to save it as a PDF depending upon your needs. So in this way you can easily convert any picture file into editable file using Microsoft Word in Windows computer. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.